black opium. What's the word? Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Farrah, and today I will be showing you what's in my handbag. It's a Ted Baker bag. You guys saw me do the unboxing of my Kurt Geiger bag, and although I do love it, I use this one as my main handbag only because it's bigger. I can just fit more in it. The only thing I really don't like about this bag, which I really want to invest in a proper Ted Baker bag, is literally because it's just that, so everybody can see what's inside your bag, and there's no compartments, so literally like the amount of times I have to pull everything out to kind of put it back in is so annoying. But it's big and it fits all my stuff in that I need. So yeah, like I say, because the bag hasn't got any type of covering on the top of it, so literally anybody can go inside your bag and see what's in there. I don't like that, so I normally take this scarf. I know it doesn't really go with like the pink theme but I normally take this scarf and I'll just throw it over and make sure everything is covered, so when I'm carrying it around and it's over my shoulder, I can feel a bit more safe and it's like protected. The next thing that I carry in my bag, I carry a hairbrush because my hair always gets so tangled and I love to just kind of brush it, and I just like it perfect. My phone, also with the Ted Baker case on it as well. I'm obsessed with Ted Baker. I just think it looks so girly and pretty. So yeah, everything's Ted Baker and pink. Next thing, which everybody always gets very interested by, is this. I'll do a close-up. So here, this is my AirPods case. Yeah, this is my AirPods. I'm not going to open up the top bit because every time when I open them up, they literally try to connect to anything that is Apple. The amount of times that I've been sat in the car with all my friends and I've just opened the case up by accident and literally all their phones are trying to connect to my AirPods. It's so annoying. But I keep this in this really nice case. The only thing I don't like about it is it's very bulky, but I feel like it just looks a lot more girlier and prettier than just the white normal AirPods case. I have to be extra and everything's got to be pink or sparkly. Next thing, I have this Louis Vuitton passport case. I like everything in a case, which is very weird because before, when I was younger, I used to hate everything in a case. Like my mum would always tell me to put my phone in a case or to have a screen protector on my phone, and I hated things in cases, and it's weird how I've gone from hating things in cases to now putting everything in a case. But this is the Louis Vuitton passport case. I just keep this in there. I normally keep other documents in here as well on this side, so the other documents would be like my name change, only because I haven't got round to changing everything. I have my YSL black opium, what's the word? Opium perfume, and this is what it looks like. It smells gorgeous. Hand cream, I always keep hand cream, and this is the coconut oil formula hand cream. I always keep a phone charger, iPhone charger in my bag, because everybody, I know that if I don't need it, one of my friends are gonna need it. I don't want to be that person where my phone's dead, her phone's dead, her phone's dead, how are we getting home? So yeah, I always keep an iPhone charger. And last but not least, I have my Michael Kors purse. I kind of want to get a Ted Baker purse though. Like I do like this one, but I kind of just want to get a Ted Baker one to match the Ted Baker bag. But yes, this is my Michael Kors purse. I keep all my cards in there, and yeah, nothing's in there. Struggle life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think and what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, because I am sick of hearing the C word, that C word, coronavirus. I'm going to be posting a lot more so you guys can enjoy my content. Also, subscribe to this channel. I think I already said that. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Farrah_Joof. I will kind of put it here somewhere so you guys can follow me. Add me on Snapchat. It is Farrah Joof, just all one word. Have a lovely day and thank you for watching this video.